Leanna, a very happy birthday with love from Aunt Crystal, Uncle Justin, and your cousins Brooklyn, Bradley, Brendan, Hazel, and Nanny. And Leanna riding around in Oswego.
All right. Well, if Leanna's turning 2, that means Gianna Allen is also 2 years old. Look at that little Minnie Mouse hat. I like that. Gianna is in Parsons. Happy birthday.
A little fun in the snow. I love that. Abby Brokoff, she is celebrating her 3rd birthday, and that is a cake fit for a princess if I've ever seen one right there. My goodness, Abby. How long do you think Mom and Dad had to say, you have to take this pose before we dig into that cake?
That's a genuine smile, though.
Well, Abby, you did a marvelous
She's excited
job.
to eat
Happy
that cake.
3rd birthday in Girard.
All right. In Pittsburgh, Aubrey Smithson turning 3 years old as well. Aw. That's a cute siblings picture there. Happy birthday, Aubrey.
Well, don't forget the Big Mac.
Oh, well, that makes sense. Because if Aubrey is turning 3 today, that means Braden is turning 5 tomorrow.
Shout out to the Smithson family
Yeah.
and what is probably an extremely busy week. My goodness, happy birthday to the 2 of you. Kaiser Clark celebrating his 7th birthday. He already knows how to carry that thing. Look at that, that's great. Happy number 7, Kaiser.
All right. And Graciela Medina celebrating birthday number 9 this year. Blowing those bubbles there in Pittsburgh. Love from Queenie, Mom, King, and the rest of your family.
Graciela is one of those kids that we get a picture every year, and I love watching him grow up. That is tremendous. Joseph Powell, now 11, with a medal to go with it. A little Trojan pride right there as he celebrates in Girard. Happy birthday, Joseph.
All right. And Leighton Johnson turning 13. Welcome to the teenage years, Leighton in Fort Scott.
Tiger pride right there. Jaden Clouch celebrating number 15. Hey, we're just about there, Jaden. I know practice is underway. I've run into her on a softball field a couple times. Not gonna lie to you, she rakes. Happy birthday, kiddo, and Chanute.
All right. And in Carl Junction, we've got Maggie Brown turning 19 years old this year. As you can see, she's a PSU student and cheerleader. Whole family is sending you out birthday love today.
A milestone in Scammon is Amy Higgins celebrating her 50th birthday. Miss Amy, a very happy birthday to you.
And Vi Tupa turning 62 years old this year, celebrating in Jasper, Missouri.
Happy birthday, Miss Vi. Long time no see. In Carl Junction, Ron Craig is celebrating his 67th birthday. Now, Lindsay Stevenson with us in studio here. She knows a little bit about Southwest Missouri. Do you know Mr. Craig, Lindsay? You don't? Okay. Lindsay is still wishing you a happy birthday, Mr. Craig. Once again, he's turning 67 in CJ.
All right, in Chanute, Kansas, also turning 67, it's time to celebrate for Betty Harris. Hope you have a wonderful day, Miss Betty.
I go past this gentleman's farm just about every other day. He always waves at me when he's outside. Don Herr turning number 72. Mr. Herr, I always love seeing you out there, and hope you know that's me. That's waving at you, sir, not just like some random guy that seems to come by every other day. Happy birthday, Mr. Herr in Asbury.
All right, out in Carl Junction, Krista Crowder is celebrating a birthday today as well. Hope it's wonderful for you.
We got Lisa Sandberg. Oh, happy birthday, Miss Lisa. She is celebrating a birthday in Columbus. Now on to the anniversaries.
Okay, we've got a little throwback picture there for the Dillons. 30 years together for Rob and Angie Dillon. They're in Girard. Anniversary wishes coming from Mom and Dad.
That's a good one. ED&D Isle, they are celebrating their 50th anniversary. Congratulations to Eddie and D. That is tremendous. They celebrated. I hope that they had a marvelous weekend because their anniversary is on Friday. We're going to carry it over into this week as they celebrate in Chanute.
And here's an impressive number, 63 years for the Crosbys. Wow. Congrats going out to Wayne and Patricia from Oswego. Happy anniversary.
Dorothy No, out at Farlington. Dorothy, I hope you got a chance to maybe spend some time even on the lake last week as it was so nice outside. A happy birthday. Samantha Hall is celebrating her 37th birthday. And Samantha, I want you to know that this happy birthday wish comes from your sister Charity, as Samantha is in Pittsburgh, and Daniel and Judy Veenstra They are celebrating their 47th wedding anniversary. Congratulations to Daniel and Judy in Mound Valley. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. This is where you can send them into birthdays at koamtv.com. You can also go to our website at koamnewsnow.com. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Now, coming